Hello everyone. In the previous the video we had studied the how to make 90-degree angle and how to make the 45-degree angle. Now in this class, this video we will study how to make the 30-degree angle. That is question number 3 of 11.1. Now to make 30-degree angle, first we will take one take line segment. Draw one line segment of any length. After making line segment, then take the radius of any radius, and with the A point draw one semi arc. Draw one semi arc. Draw one semi arc. Now after that, be a center. Draw one arc. That point will be C. I already told in the previous class, the C will be the 60-degree angle. So after making 60-degree angle, if it is you have to make 90-degree, you can make. Otherwise, with the 60 also with the C point also we can make the 30-degree angle. Now this we will join A to C. This is the 60-degree angle. So we will mark this point as the D. And this CAB will be the 60-degree angle. Now we have to make what angle? 30-degree angle. To make the 30-degree angle, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of 30. Same step we had did in the previous question. How to make the perpendicular bisectors? We will take this is the point B. This point is the B. So we will take the more than half of BC, more than half of BC. Now with the B as center, draw one arc, and with the C as center, draw one arc. With C as center, draw one arc. With B as center, draw one arc, and C as this arc will intersect at the point D. Now you can join A to D. Then you can join A to D. Now this D, A, B, this point is the B. This point will be represent this A, D, A, B will be the 30-degree. You can measure with the help of protractor so that it should be verified that whether we got 30-degree or not. So this you can see I got the 30-degree angle. So this is the construction step for the 30-degree angle. Now after this we have to make 22.5 angle. So how to make 22.5 angle? For making 22.5 angle, we have to make first 90, then 45, then 22.5. So first we have to make the 90-degree angle. So I already know how to make. You already know how to make 90-degree angle. Draw one line segment with that one point. Draw the arc of any radius. Mark the point AB with the B as center. Draw the arc with the that arc center. Draw one more arc. Now this point you can mark C and D. Now with C as center, draw the arc at the of radius will be same in the everywhere. Now you can join A to E. Now this is the 90-degree angle. EAB is the 90-degree angle. Now we will make the perpendicular bisector of the 90-degree angle. So how to make the perpendicular bisector? Now you can see we had already studied this one. And now to make the perpendicular bisector, we have to take this FAB. So this FB is the arc. FB is the arc. So you have to take more than half of FB. So more than half of FB will you have to take. Then with the F center, draw one arc. With the B center, draw one arc. This arc will intersect at one point. That point we will mark as the but that point will be the suppose that point is H. We'll join that point to A. That will be 45. Then again we have to make the perpendicular bisector of 45. Then we will get the 22.5. So FB, more than half of FB. Draw one arc. Draw one arc. Now with the B and F as center, that point is the H. Now you can join AH to A. Now HAB is the 45 degree angle. HAB is the 45 degree angle. Now you can see this is BC. Now we have to take more than half of BC. More than half of BC. With BS center, draw one arc. With CS center, draw one arc. This arc will intersect at one point. BS center, draw one arc. With CS center, draw one arc. This point will be G. And join G to A. This point will be the G. This capital G. Now this GAB will be 22.5. So we will see with the help of projector. We are getting 30 degree. Just we'll see once again this steps. We'll make again 22.5. This arc. Till 45 you have to make once again. Then we'll see how to make the 22.5. We have to take more than half of FB. We'll take the more than half of BC with the BS center. With BS center, draw an arc. With CS center, draw an arc. Now join E to A. G to this point where the R intersect, that point will be the G. This point will be the G. So GAB will be the 22.5. Now we get 22.5. So this is the construction step for the 12 and 22.5. Now one more question left, 15 angle. Now to make 15, we have to make first 30. Then we'll draw the bisector of 30. We'll get the 15 angle. So first make one arc. Draw one line segment. Draw a semi arc. Draw one semi arc. And with the BS center, draw one arc. This is a 60 degree angle. This point is C. So CAB is the 60 degree angle. Now CAB is the 60 degree angle. Now we will take the BC. BC will be the arc, more than half of BC. With the BS center, draw an arc. With CS center, draw an arc. Join this point. Mark this point as the D. Join D to A. So the DAB will be the how much? 30 degree angle. You first have to check whether you got 30 or not. 30. Now this point will mark as the E. This point will be the E. Now we will take the more than half of BE. With the BS center, draw an arc. With ES center, draw an arc. With ES center, draw an arc. Join this point to A, and this point let it will be F. So FAB will be the 90 degree, 15 degree. We'll check with the help of the projector. We got 15 degree. So this is the construction step. Hello everyone. Now we will study the 75 degree angle. To make the 75 degree angle, first we have to make the 90 degree angle. So draw one line segment A, Draw a semi-arc. That point mark B. Now with B as center, take the point, draw one arc. That point C, with the C as center, draw one arc at the D. Now with the C and D as center, draw one arc. Then first we have to make the 90-degree angle. Now join E to A. EAB will be the 90-degree angle. Now we have to make 75. To make 75-degree angle, mark this point as the F. Now we will draw the perpendicular bisector FC. So more than half of FC, with the F as center and C as center, draw an arc. Now join this point. E to A. Now measure with the help of protractor whether this is the 45 or not. 75. So we'll get the exactly 75. Now we will study how to make 105 angle. For 105 angle, again we have to make the same step to make the 90-degree angle. So draw one line segment, draw semi-arc. With B as center, draw an arc. Now we got 90-degree angle. Now to make the 105 angle, the 105 will be more than 90. So this point mark as the F. Now we will have to draw the perpendicular bisectors of DF. You can see DF. More than half of DF. More than half of DF. So with the F center we will draw one arc, and with the D center draw one arc. Now join this point. You can mark as this point arc you have to mark as the G, and join G to A. Now you can measure with the help of protractor. This will be 105-degree angle. Uh, 105 over. Now that 135 you can do with the help of the protractor, and with the help you have to do as a homework, and you have to make that 135 angle by construction, not with the protractor. Then if you have any doubt you can consult with me. And the last question of this exercise, we have to make equilateral triangle, and you know what are the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle are those which have the equal sides and equal angles. So to draw an equilateral triangle, you can take the side of any length, but the side will be same in the all part of the triangle. So draw one line segment of 5 centimeter. If you want you can take out 6 to 7, but that should be same in everywhere. So I have taken up 5. The AB is of 5 centimeter. Now with A as center, draw the arc of 5 centimeter with the same. Now with B as center, draw one arc of 5 centimeter. Now where this arc intersects, that arc you mark point at C. Now C you join C to A, and C to B. So this ABC, B to C. Now AC you write 5 centimeter and BC also write 5 centimeter. Now if you measure the angle with the protractor, you will get the 60 degree angle in the everywhere. So this ABC is the equilateral triangle. You can see I got angle A 60 degree. Same way everywhere the angle will be same. So these are the construction step for the equilateral triangle, and you can take off any side, but side should be same in everywhere. So with this question we completed the exercise 11.1 and 11.2 is removed from syllabus. So this complete the chapter. Now in next video classes we'll start the next chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.